standing all alone, standing all alone in Karbala. She sees burning tents and remembers ZAHRA. She remembers ZAHRA. She remembers ZAHRA. When I saw the tents burning with fire, I remember the house of my mother, alone in Karbala. I remember ZAHRA. I remember the tents ablaze alone. Here I stand with no one left to embrace, as both my feet are being burnt by the sand, and fire scorches my face. To taste someone else's pain, I understand. Today her steps I retrace. They did not find a ZAHRA upon this land, so I have taken her place. There was no house or Fatima to buy, so they burnt all the tents of her children, on each one a scar. I remember ZAHRA. I remember when I heard Hussein to Abbas crying, "Brother, my back is broken." I remember the sound of something breaking when ZAHRA's rib was taken. When I saw him from the river returning, looking pale and shaken, I remembered by ZAHRA he'd be wailing, "Oh mother, please awaken, please awake." I remembered Hussein upon a chest, when shiver upon my brother would rest, and I screamed from afar. I remember ZAHRA. I remember when I saw the tents burning with fire. I remember the house of my mother, alone in Karbala. I remember ZAHRA. I remember when I heard Hussein's child crying from thirst. "Oh Father, I am thirsty." I remember the child who before birth cried, "Mother, please protect me." When the veins of Abdullah's neck would burst, and I saw a killed baby, I remember the one who met his death first, before his cradle could sway. When soon after birth met with his death, one met his death before his first breath. and my shocking horror. I remember ZAHRA. I remember when I saw the chest burning with fire. I remember the house of my mother, alone in Karbala. I remember ZAHRA. I remember.